1, 2, 3, go!
You gotta
Wanna
step
go back
off,
up?
huh?
You wanna go back up? Come on, let's go to the circle slide.
Yeah, we're those parents that teach our kid how to climb up the slide.
Hey, come on over this way, buddy. Emerson,
Come
over
this
here.
way.
Come over here. Come on down this way. Okay. All right. 1, 2, 3. Yay!
Go back up.
Go back up. Ah.